In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the China and Communism course on Harvard Online, and how you can get Harvard certified by completing it step by step. This is a great opportunity if you're interested in Chinese history, political systems, or you simply want to add a prestigious Harvard certificate to your resume or LinkedIn profile. I'll walk you through the entire process from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials, online courses, and career-boosting guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is the official Harvard Online Courses page, where Harvard lists all of their available programs, including free and paid options. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top, along with a list of featured courses. In the search bar, type in China and Communism and press Enter. The page will now filter the results and show you the course titled China and Communism. Click directly on the course name to open the full course details page. On this page, you'll find a detailed overview of what the course covers, including topics like the history of Chinese communism, political ideology, key leaders, and how communism has shaped modern China. Take a moment to scroll down and review the course syllabus, duration, and effort required per week so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page and click on it. You'll now be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in using your email and password. If not, follow the steps to create a new account by entering your basic details, like name, email address, and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the enrollment screen. Here, you'll see the available enrollment options, including the paid certificate track. To receive an official Harvard certificate, make sure you select the option that includes certification. Next, fill in your personal details as requested and proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Once your payment is successful, you'll be officially enrolled in the China and Communism course. From here, you can start the course right away or follow the scheduled timeline provided on the course dashboard. As you progress through the lessons, make sure to watch all the lectures, complete the readings, and submit any required assignments or assessments. This is important because completing all the course requirements is what qualifies you for the Harvard certificate. After you successfully finish the course and meet all the criteria, you'll receive your Harvard Certified Certificate, which you can download, share on LinkedIn, or include in your academic and professional portfolio. This certification comes directly from Harvard, making it a valuable credential that can help boost your career and credibility. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access the China and Communism course on Harvard Online and get Harvard certified step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.